In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a chart from Google Forms using Google Sheets. Whether you're analyzing survey results, preparing data for a presentation, or you simply want your charts to look clearer and more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google form in your browser and make sure you've already collected some responses. Once you're there, go to the Responses tab at the top. You'll see a green Sheets icon. This is where your form data gets stored. Click on Link to Sheets and Google will automatically create a spreadsheet connected to your form. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, once your Google Sheet opens, look at the menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Google Sheets will instantly generate a chart based on your data. This is where the real customization begins. You'll see a chart editor appear on the right side of your screen with several options designed to help you visualize your information the way you want. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your spreadsheet columns are labeled correctly, check that your data is complete, and remove any duplicate responses. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues when Google Sheets tries to interpret your data. Once you've inserted your chart, click on the Chart Type drop-down inside the chart editor. Here, you'll be able to switch between bar charts, pie charts, line charts, scatter plots, and many more. Pick the chart that best represents your data. For example, pie charts work well for percentages, while bar charts are great for comparisons. After selecting your new chart type, you should see the visual update instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to adjust colors, labels, and legends using the Customize tab. Taking this extra step ensures everything looks clean, readable, and aligned with your presentation style. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change a chart from Google Forms easily and efficiently using Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?